Time is 7:38 now. We are celebrating UH Week here on Wake Up Today and Living 808, highlighting the work being done not only in Manoa, but also the system's other campuses across the state.
John Veneri joins us now live from Leeward Community College with more. Good morning, John.
Thanks, Sam and Sarah. Appreciate it. It's all about finding your place. What do you want to be when you grow up? Well, the Leeward Community College and the UH campuses have tons of opportunities. In fact, we're here in the nursing lab, and we're talking to the Director of Nursing, Bobby Elisala. Thank you for having us down. Appreciate it.
Good morning.
This is just another opportunity for folks that want to get into nursing, and this particular lab offers real-world experiences.
Yes, we have state-of-the-art nursing equipment that the students can use. They have a makeshift room that they practice with mannequins, and they can do all their skills right here at Leeward.
And it's a little weird walking in here with mannequins all on beds and stuff, but this is actually providing the training that folks need.
Yes, the training that they need comes from all the equipment we have here, the mannequins, the staff we have here. They have #1 training and can go on in the future to a nice CNA job.
Well, I think that that's a great point, because you yourself were a part of this program a couple of decades ago.
Yes, a couple of decades ago, and it has propelled me up to be a nurse practitioner with about 30+ years of experience, and I'm thankful.
What would you tell somebody that's looking at getting in the healthcare system or healthcare workforce and is possibly looking at nursing? Because this is truly a possibility for them.
Oh, yes. Nursing has very flexible schedules. Here at Leeward, we teach on the weekends, we teach after work hours, and also during the day. So they have multiple tracks that you can go on.
I want to add, too, that you jump around from different campuses, kind of like what we did this morning on Skyline, and you can start or at least continue education over at West Oahu.
Yes, you can do your prerequisites at West Oahu, then you can jump on the tram and you can come here and you can finish up with your CNA program, or you can start on an ADN or BSN program at our other university campuses.
Bobby, thank you so much. Really appreciate you giving us a moment to stop by and interrupt what you were doing on your day. And this is, again, this is a great opportunity for folks that are looking to get into the nursing field. This might be the place for you right here at Leeward Community College. All you got to do is go to leeward.hawaii.edu. And again, what do you want to be when you grow up? The UH campuses has a ton of opportunities available to you. Sam, Sarah, this is John Veneri reporting live from Leeward Community College. We'll be back here in about half an hour to give you more choices for your work. There you go. Back to you guys.
All right, mahalo, John. Yeah, incredible opportunities there, and bang for the buck, right? The tuition at all the University of Hawaiʻi campuses, very reasonable, especially for in-state residents.
Yep, absolutely. And nursing.
Yeah,
that's a good career choice.
Yeah, good salaries, and you look at like the future, right? We talk about AI and stuff like that.
That's right.
Yeah, it's a good one. All right,